Before I go deeper into the roles add-on, I would like to let you know we do have 5 standard roles. Each role consists of 63 different sets of permissions, which are tunable to your needs, so you can freely combine them to fit them exactly to what you need. In the first example, I will show you the standard permissions of a team leader, or the team leader role to be exact, and how a certain change will affect the user. So, as you can see, we do have a lot of permissions here, and yeah, you see he has mostly access to his own or his team's permissions. But the thing I would like to show you here is his ability to access our Active Directory module and importing users, removing users, getting some settings changed on the module. If you have a look at my second Explorer here, I can show you how that will look like. So you see he has Active Directory as an option. So he is allowed to add groups from the Active Directory. He is allowed to browse the entire domain here, and he's allowed to change those settings. So let me get back here, and now what I will do is I will just remove his permissions to do so. When I do save this change and refresh this view, you will see now this permission is gone. He is now still able to handle teams. He's able to modify teams or add to his teams, but not with new users he can get from the AD, but only with users already present in the system. The second thing I would like to show is how it would look like if I add permissions to a user. For that, I will have to log into my second demo user, Alert. Oh. So what I would like to show you here are his capabilities regarding on-call. You see, he currently has no access to any kind of on-call schedule, but I will change this. That's a request we often got from team manager who actually wanted to free up their time by allowing their own users to handle their own on-call schedules. So basically, he just had a look at it, looks for gaps, but the actual handling of the on-call schedules is done by the users themselves. So what I do have to do here is to change his permission settings to see and edit his teams or the teams where he is member of settings and on-call plans. So when I now save this here, I can now see as in his on-call schedules, there it is, he is now able to schedule his own on-call plan. Previously that was not possible, but now it is. So what do you do if your standard roles absolutely do not fit your needs? You can add to it by creating a new user role. So you go in here, create a new user role. Maybe you do want some of the managers to have the right to add users from AD. So you create a new role, call it AD sync permission, and just add the AD permissions here. So I will not grant any other rights. This user role has just right to access the Active Directory. So when I now save this change and go back to my manager user, I still have no permission to do so. So you see, I don't have the permissions here. I do have something else here first. I go to the users. I go into the team managers. And now that's the trick here. I add another role. So all those permissions here are add up. So if you have a team manager who's per design has no access to the AD sync, but you also add the AD sync permission, he is now able to access the AD again.